Hello guys and welcome to our channel Shuddh Desi Videos. Today we are going to do something really fun. As you all know, the government has decided to ban porn. So we are going to go around asking people about porn, if they watch porn and what do they think about the ban. What do you think that the government banned porn? How do you feel about it?
Really sad, dude. Being engineering students, we have no other way now.
These are dark times, especially for people like me. Those are daily activities which he wanted to do. Unfortunately, Modi ji has a big no for that too. He plans to remove whatever hand is involved in. So I don't know what's his plan.
I think we should ban that government. I have 4 TB porn, so I don't need to worry for next few.
Here we have a lot of youngsters, a bunch of them. Let's see what they have to say about the porn ban. Prapreet, what do you have to say about government banning porn?
No, it's really bad. We have a right to watch porn. If one's above 18, it's his right to watch porn within the 4 walls.
It's not illegal. Like further generations will be watching also. Because it's a method of reproduction. Like it's not something very bad.
What about you?
Yeah, it's a very bad thing. Like literally, like these nights have been sleepless. Like because it was the best thing to get sleep, okay? So now the nights are sleepless and dry.
So what do you think about the ban?
I don't really mind. Like I'm not so very fond of porn. It's okay. I have watched once or twice.
Tell me, what do you think about this ban that the government has issued on porn?
I think it's very stupid. I think it shouldn't be banned. I think it's not a sensible decision at all. And the reasoning behind it is also quite senseless.
तो आपको क्या लगता है, ये सही है?
नहीं, गलत है। ये तो अपना अपना ज़िंदगी का देखने का सबको शौक रहती है.
On the other hand, I feel that if there is some platform where people can go and watch porn and it's absolutely healthy, masturbating or whatever it is, it's absolutely healthy,
So at least I love the fact that you're honest. In fact, if the camera was not rolling, just because you're so cool, I would have asked you for your number. But yeah, that we'll move to later. What about you?
Actually, it's not good for ministers also because they can't watch porn in the ministry.
So basically he's saying that the parliament is also porn free now.
नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से बैन नहीं करना चाहिए. चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी वाली साइट्स को बैन कर देना चाहिए. बाकी जो जैसा चल रहा है चलने दो.
Porn are one of the things which I feel lot of people, whenever they have a urge, they would rather watch a porn than commit any kind of a sin.
I feel this thing is really stupid because they don't have the right to get into our bedroom. Tomorrow they'll say you can have sex only on Friday and Saturday. What's wrong with them?
It's a good thing that they haven't banned it completely. Like it's yesterday only it got lifted, so we are happy.
Okay, we have someone who's really well read. He already knows that the ban has been uplifted yesterday.
As we say, it's a best thing to do to remove the frustration. It helps you grow in life.
Now the porn ban has been taken out. How are you feeling?
Hooray!
Joyous day.
Feel relieved by night.
The ban has been taken off yesterday. Now are you happy?
Yeah,
They are going to name a few sites that they know are awesome. Okay.
RedTube, Brothers,
YouPorn,
X videos,
XXX videos,
Oh my god, this is like an antakshari of porn.
extreme videos.
कल रात को बैन हट गया, 5 दिन के लिए बैन था, हट गया तो अभी खुशी हुई.
हाँ, ज़रूर खुशी है हमको. क्या बात है.
Since your friend has already informed you all, the porn ban is already uplifted. So now what is the feeling?
Let's just celebrate it.
Porn, 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 porn. Porn, 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 porn. Okay guys, that was Mumbai and Mumbai's opinion on the porn ban and the porn ban being uplifted. Oh, we've had some hilarious comments and some really funny reactions. So please, if you like the video, then like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you until next time. Thank you.